Hello, and welcome to the final session of the 2020 Ferry Safety and Technology Conference presented by the Worldwide Ferry Safety Association. My name is Len Roueche, and I'm a member of the Board of Directors of WFSA. I've had the opportunity to moderate the technology session for the past few years. For the first time in our history, we are attempting a virtual conference. We decided to post the conference by thematic sessions, allowing you, our colleagues from around the world, to view the sessions at your preferred time. I hope you've had the opportunity to view the earlier sessions, which have included the results of the student design competition for a Lake Victoria ferry, training in the time of COVID and beyond, and good news about ferry safety in the world. I'm going to put a couple of contacts on the screen for you. The first one allows you access to all of the conference presentations at the website www.ferrysafety.org/ideas. With the second one, you can submit questions and comments to WFSA and the presenters using the email address ferrysafety@gmail.com. I'm going to put these contacts up on the screen again at the end of my introduction. In these pandemic times, I think technology is an appropriate subject with its focus on the future and a better world. Once again this year, we have some outstanding presenters. Andrew Yeoman from Consiris in the UK, David Hewson from Vessel Tracker in Germany, Joseph Sienkiewicz from NOAA in the USA, and Catherine Lawson from the University of Albany in New York. The first presentation from Andrew Yeoman is entitled Precision Maritime Insurance. In case you haven't noticed, insurers and brokers have been busy analyzing tons of data, estimated at 2 trillion data points, on ship operations and related matters. This gives the insurance industry an enormous advantage in assessing shipowner behavior and determining their risk. This has a potential impact on premiums and claims. At first glance, this seems like an unfair advantage that will result in higher premiums and tougher claims for operators. But all is not lost. Yes, Consiris is helping the insurance industry with valuable data and the analytical tools to make sense of it. But Consiris is also helping ship owners to understand their behavior and improve where necessary to get a better deal from the insurer. Learn more from Andrew's fascinating presentation. Finally, there's some good news on insurance. The next presentation from David Hewson is entitled VDS, the next generation of AIS. Since IMO mandated the Automatic Identification System, AIS, in 2002, it has been a huge success. According to David, there are currently more than 200,000 installations around the world. Initially designed for security and collision avoidance, AIS is now used for many new and unintended applications. This has inevitably led to capacity issues. The new product from Vessel Tracker, VDS, which stands for VHF Data Exchange System, is designed to expand and enhance the capabilities of AIS with 32 times more bandwidth and new applications. One of those future applications is Sea Traffic Management, STM, which will provide all stakeholders a platform where everybody has the same situational overview. STM will include a real-time ferry information system allowing passengers and the logistics ecosystem to adjust plans on the fly. Get all the details from David's presentation. Third presentation from Joseph Sienkowicz is entitled Marine Weather Overlays for Electronic Charts. The folks at NOAA, the US Weather Agency, have been developing a navigation safety product for use with electronic chart systems. They are focusing on hazards, conditions, and observations for weather and waves. You will find all the technical details in Joseph's presentation. The final paper from Catherine Lawson is Low-Cost Weather Detection Options. Dr. Lawson has devoted enormous time and energy on the development of a 3D printed maritime weather monitor. Her goal has been a cost-effective, reliable, user-friendly, real-time weather report system for ferry operator decision-making. In her presentation, she reports on the status of the Washington State Ferries trial, the 3D printing process, and emerging weather research. One of the interesting issues that Catherine has been investigating is the decision-making process by ferry operators once they have the weather information. The next step in the project includes wave height and network economies. Please enjoy the presentations of the technology sessions, and I'm going to show you those contacts once again. www.ferrysafety.org/ideas is where you go for all of the conference presentations, and send your comments and questions to ferrysafety@gmail.com. Hopefully, I'm going to see many of you next year at a real-time ferry safety conference live in New York City. Thank you for your attention, and please enjoy the presentations.